Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the missed call sound on electric guitar. We'll start by setting up your gear for the right tone. This sound relies on a clean, clear signal, so ensure your amplifier is on a clean channel with minimal gain. Pay close attention to your picking hand and fretting hand coordination to achieve the desired effect. This technique adds a distinctive texture to your playing. Next, let's focus on the basic ringing note. Start by picking a single note, for example, the 7th fret on your B string. After picking, apply a very slight, quick vibrato to give the note a gentle shimmer. The key is to let this note sustain naturally, allowing it to ring for approximately 2 seconds. This creates the initial, clear tone essential for our missed call effect. Now we'll introduce the call element. Immediately after the ringing note, move to the G string and perform a quick half-step bend. For instance, bend the 9th fret note up and then release it swiftly. This bend should be sharp and precise, returning to the original pitch without lingering. This quick, almost abrupt bend creates the distinctive, attention-grabbing part of the missed call sound. Finally, let's combine and refine the entire sequence. Practice transitioning smoothly from the sustained ringing note to the quick bend and release. Experiment with different fret positions to find pitches that resonate best with you. Consider adding a touch of reverb to your amplifier settings. A subtle amount can enhance the atmospheric quality of the missed call sound, making it truly stand out in your playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.